I'm here with Briony from RAF Charitable Trust Enterprises, the organisation that puts on RIAT. And Briony, I wonder if you could tell me a little bit about the sustainable efforts that go into organising RIAT.
So we have been on our sustainability journey since about 2022, and we're trying to implement changes every year and make those positive changes to the operational delivery and the planning. One of our sustainability objectives this year is to remove all single-use plastics from the showground. We're also introducing this year Pequal, which are female urinals, so that's all about improving gender equality across the showground. They're a great sustainable company that we're really trying to push and encourage. So it's all these small things that are really adding up to really big changes.
An air show is a kind of double whammy because you've got the impact of an event, which, there's challenges around the sustainability, but then obviously there's the nature of aviation. Now, how do you reconcile the aviation component with sustainability?
So we are trying to improve our air show as well where we can. So, for example, this year is the first year that we will have the first ever Typhoon flying with sustainable aviation fuel with the 35% blend, which we are incredibly proud to have here at RIAT this year. We are trying to focus on the event in its entirety, so whether that is the aircraft and also the kind of on-the-ground logistics of the event, but ultimately RIAT is a great event because it gives back to the RAFCTE charity, so that's encouraging young adults and children to get into STEM, and all kids come in free to RIAT, which again is something great, and it gives into that social impact that we can really try and improve.
How many children have got a free ticket to RIAT today?
So I believe it's about 6,000 school children today, which again is great because I know it's the last day of term, but over the weekend we expect to see many more because under 18s come free.
When you look at these young children who are coming through the air show, what importance do you place upon them experiencing aviation and also hopefully starting to understand that big steps are being made towards sustainable aviation?
It's hugely important that they're exposed to kind of all sides of the air show and aircraft, so from whether that is the kind of engineering side of things, but we want them to be exposed to also sustainable aviation because that in itself is so new and upcoming and changing so rapidly. So we are trying to increase the amount of kind of sustainable aviation exhibits that we have here at RIAT, which I think is great, and it's so important to get kids exposed to them at an early age so that they can really understand and develop, because ultimately they are the future of our air shows and our aircraft, so I think it's hugely important.
And what do you see as the biggest challenges to delivering and being seen to deliver a sustainable aviation show in the future?
I think part of it is behaviour change, but we're really fortunate in that our visitors, our customers, our volunteers are working with us on our sustainability journey. So simple things like bringing their reusable bottles, making sure that they dispose of their waste properly, and just being mindful of what they bring to the air show and being open to those opportunities and making sure that they are kind of seeing those sustainable aviation exhibits. So yeah, there's lots more to come in the coming years, but we're really proud of the progress we've made so far.
Is there any other areas of the show that one should look at for sustainable solutions?
Yes, so we also have hybrid air vehicles, which are talking on the Inspire stage, which is run by the charity itself. They will be a great talk. They're really kind of pushing the boundaries. We have the Airlander, one of their kind of aircraft, coming in 2027, so that's very exciting.
Briony, it's a fantastic show. We've enjoyed being here today, and thanks so much for taking the time to talk to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.